say no one asked questions here, but the dust remembers what we fear. Names whispered low behind closed doors, velvet curtains, hidden wars, smiling faces in the light, buried truth in the dead of night. EPSTIN, EPSTIN. They say he fell, they say it's done. Case is closed, nobody won. But shadows stretch beyond those walls, and chains still echo down the halls. Don't forget that island still on the map. Those flights, those lists, names we never heard out loud. EPSTIN, EPSTIN. EPSTIN. Fly low, and the earth reveals what it knows. Every silence, every deal leaves a scar that won't heal. They say justice has gone blind, but here it's sleeping all the time, and money weighs heavier than truth on the scales of crooked proof. Don't forget, not the names, not the silence, not the ones who never came back. Some stories never end, they just sink deeper in the sand. EPSTIN.